So good day and welcome to this week's episode. Today I'm talking about heat stress in broilers and some of the things you need to pay attention to. Behind me are some birds, about 200 birds, 200 broiler birds that we bought in the last 4 weeks. And with the weather condition currently in Nigeria, you will notice that the sun is really hot and we had to make some changes on the farm. One of the things I want to talk about is how you can curb heat stress in a flock, regardless of if they are 200 or if they are 200,000. In broilers, particularly, it's important that you regiment their feed. So currently, we are feeding 25 kg, and we have apportioned it in such a way that 40% is fed in the morning. That means before 10 a.m. in the morning, birds have been able to consume all the feed allotted to them, and they only drink water from 10:30 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. This way, regardless of how high the sun gets, we're able to make sure that only water is being taken. So increasing body heat by feed consumption is curbed completely. Now, another thing we are doing currently is to increase the space. If you look behind me, you see some people trying to increase the space from what it used to be to what it is now. The reason we are increasing the space is to make sure that we have enough room for the birds to spread out and for air to easily pass through the wings and the feathers of these birds. Another thing that is important that we do is that, yes, you can see that this farm they don't have foggers like the one we talked about in the last video, but we have space, and that's all we are, utilizing. We are making sure that the space is optimal for them and that there is no feed kept in the afternoon. If you're able to do this or implement this in your broiler farm, rest assured that yes, heat stress will be curbed to the barest minimum. Now, another thing we can explore here in the farm is to put ice packs or ice blocks in their water, in their drinking water, every afternoon. That is before the sun is up, around 11, 12. Ice packs are put in their water and we serve these birds very cold water. This is able to mitigate any form of heat stress or heat generation in the afternoon. Other than that, the other things we do, we give multivitamins and especially something we call liver tonic. These liver tonics they help to make sure that the integrity of the liver, is intact, and that those rupturing, that's synonymous with heat stress is curbed. I hope you learned something today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.